I have two computers. I have a monitor here and a computer here. So this is how it works, okay? This is my everyday life. So I go Zoom here and I watch anime. Yep, that's how it is, baby. Is that easy? Yep. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunshine here and I make pretty cool videos, so definitely subscribe if you haven't yet and give this video a big thumbs up. So you guys see by today's video and thumbnail, I'm finally filming my desk tour. I had my desk for a while now and I never filmed it just because like my desk was pretty plain and not really interesting, but I just decided to do it because I'm kind of out video ideas, so I'm just get this out real quick for y'all. And yeah, so yes, behind me is my desk, my pretty not aesthetic desk like everyone else. Mine's really plain, I gotta tell you. I like to keep it simple for my desk. I don't know, anyone else? Let's get started already, y'all. Subscribe if you haven't yet too. First thing first, it's currently 12:43. You guys like my lock screen? I have a weird addiction to Aot, y'all. That's my lock screen. Yeah, it's 12:43 anyways. Oh my god. Okay, so my desk is at this very corner right here, and that's how it looks like from far away. Excuse me. So that's how, like, hey, let's start with this. So yes, I have two computers. I have a monitor here and a computer here. So this is how it works, okay? This is my everyday life. So I go Zoom here and I watch anime. Yep, that's how it is, baby. Is that easy? Yep. That's the everyday life. Zoom, watch anime here. Can you stop? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's what I do every single. I'm just kidding. I don't do that. I'm just kidding. Please don't take after me. I don't do that at all, please. 저런다요. Okay, so desk and chairs from IKEA. I mean, obviously, you guys see this desk every single time. I don't know where to start. I'm actually really bad. So this chair, I just have this chair. It just looks like this. And I have this ugly ass pillow because literally my back freaking hurts every time sitting here. So I need like something to hold my cranky back. I guess I'll start up here. So yeah, like I said, my desk is really plain. I'm not like aesthetic. I'm not very aesthetic. I honestly don't see the point of being aesthetic. Usually you guys see every desk tour, it's like, oh, I have pictures of my family, I have stickers, but honestly I don't see the point of it. So that's why my desk is really plain. Yeah, okay, you see. So here I have this bent life, like my life. I have this bent light, just like my back and life right now. It's from Walmart if anyone's curious. And I have this San Francisco ornament ball. Oh my god, it just came off. Go back in. Thank you. And then I have two crystals right there. Don't know how to explain. Yeah, right there. And then I have this ugly book from school. I hate it very much. Can't wait to burn it down. And then you go here. Yeah, it's very plain. And I have another crystal here. Pretty, I don't know which one. And then I have my YSL bag. Definitely check out my handbag collection. You guys haven't yet. Yeah, so that's it for the top shelf. Really nice and organized. Okay, so for the shelves here, I have like a bunch of books and then just some books. I don't know if anyone cares. Yeah, but just a bunch of just a bunch of books, and then I have some more crystals. Here I have a Dragon Ball Z ball crystals. Yeah, and I have two, oh god, I have these crystals. I don't know what they're called. I just know that the crystal and buy them. Yeah, so this one's like Dragon Ball Z one. I'm just kidding, it's not. And excuse me, I'm gonna scoot you here. And then here is more books, but these are like journals and these are like books. And I have my fairy light here. And then down here are more books, and yeah, they're books, and they're not that, I don't know you guys care, so I'm not gonna like read each title for you guys. And here I just have some envelope and some note cards here. I like to have my water here. Okay guys, I feel like that's pretty much it for my desk. Like I said, it's not that interesting. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video right now. Now this is for Attack on Titan. You didn't know? You didn't know, then we can't be friends, okay? And this one is Kaguya-sama Love is War. You didn't know too. This model is actually really big. Like, it's so big. I like how you can move this around. So let me show you guys. Like, whee! It goes up, and then it goes down, and then you can push it forward too, or you can turn sideways. So basically this is like a TV for me, because like it's literally so big. You can move it, wee, wee, like that, or have it down like it, or you can like push it upward, but I'm not gonna do it. Well, actually, let me see. See, and then you can also push it down. That's what I like about this monitor. And then behind here, I don't really have anything. I just have my mirror, my fairy lights. Oh yeah, let me sit down. Okay, so down here I also have some more crystals. These are like the mini ones, and this one's so cute. It's a heart. Focus, yay. And here I have my portable charger. I have fairy lights. I don't even turn it on. And then, oh yeah, back here is actually a whiteboard, but I don't use it. And these are just like some cards. Yeah. Me and Bay Reiner. Okay, now coming down here. Oh yeah, I have nothing here. I actually have some stuff, but I move it because I need to stretch out my legs. So there's like nothing here, and it's actually really clean too, because I like to keep my space really nice and clean and organized. I just don't know how a person can be that messy. Not adding anyone, by the way. Oh yeah, talking about messy, this is actually not messy at all. I don't think, oh my god, it's like so hard to hold my camera. Okay, I'm sorry. So let's just dig in. Okay, starting here, I have these phone cases from Shein and Pop Socket too. And then under here, just like my iPhone, my markers, and these two are my dead phones. Yeah, so if my iPhone breaks, my life's gonna break too. I bought this phone holder from Shein, but it's so cheap that it literally broke literally on the first day. Thank you for not working. And then here, pencil case, whatever. I don't use it because I don't go to class. I have these like random stuff here. Nail clipper, tape, makeup, wipes, hairbrush, these stuff, money, markers, and pens. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. What's in here? Not really interesting. Oh, okay. So next up is this mini one. This computer is actually in the way. Excuse me. So what's in here is I have my Chanel glasses. I have that one, this one, this one. I have scrunchies. I have my Chanel jewelry back here. You see? Nice. Look. Chanel. Ooh. A Chanel stuff. Chanel glasses. A receipt. And I have my camera battery. I was about to say battery. I have my camera battery. Well, I think I was about to say bladder or something. I have my camera battery. And I have two chopsticks, one here, and that's pretty much it. There's really nothing. And then I don't really remember. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. You guys saw my fuzzy son. And I don't really remember what's in here because I don't really care for this, or I don't even like open it that much. But let me see what happened here. Oh, so I got a notebook. I got paper, more notebooks. I have a pencil pouch. Anything back there? Oh, I have more books. Oh my god, I'm sorry for the bad quality. And then here I have more notebooks and folder papers. Basically a bunch of mess. And then here I just have my girly bits. And it has some skincare. I have a lotion. What is that over there? Let me see. I haven't checked it out. I also have this box. So this is I Thought of You. I tried painting it and decorating the box, but clearly I don't know how to draw or paint. See, like, I tried drawing boba. Oh. I tried drawing boba and I don't know what that is. It's probably a lollipop or some alien drawing. And these are like stars. And then I just gave up on the other ones. And here I have stars again. Dang, girl. I really tried painting. And then basically what's in here are like my letters, or like my letters, happy birthday cards for my friends, teachers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And like some small gifts that I get from my friends, and I keep that in this box. Okay, then down here I just have lotion and a book. That book seems really messed up. Don't like care. Just gonna shove this back in. Sorry for the bad angle, but gotta stick with it. So that's it for today's video. That's pretty much it for my desk tour. Like I said, it's really simple and plain, really nothing much. And appreciation time for my background. Oh my god, turn off. That's Kaguya. No, you guys can't. That's Kaguya and that's Aot. Go watch season 4 if you haven't yet, or you know her Attack on Titan, go watch it. It's an anime. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And subscribe if you haven't yet. Keep up with my video. I post every Monday and Saturday. And yeah, peace out, y'all.